Futures, option and swaps are derivative contracts. A derivative contract is a financial instrument whereby the price of the instrument is derived from the price of its underlying asset, also called the underlying value. The value of a derivative contract has a strong mathematical relation with the price of its underlying value. This implies the value of a derivative contract is derived from the value of its underlying products. This underlying element can concern an asset, varying from a stock, bond or commodity, as well as an interest rate or a currency exchange rate, or even an index. A derivative contract is a legal agreement between two parties. One is considered the buyer of the contract, while the other is called the seller. The details of the derivative contract are defined in the contract specifications. The included conditions comprise of many aspects, amongst others, the agreement's expiry date. At maturity, derivatives face settlement, which concerns the unwinding of the agreement as specified. Basically, derivatives can be categorized in three different groups: term contracts, swap contracts, and option contracts.